2006 Chevy Malibu. I'm getting code 0341 0340 for camshaft sensor and 0171 for lean. What's interesting, this car doesn't have a cam sensor, but I am getting a code for cam sensor. And the problem was a module plus the coil. This is brand new. That's actually the part that was giving me problems. Brand new coil of module, and this is the old one just installed. Once I replaced this one from a pull apart from another vehicle, the codes, all three of them, just went away. And by the way, if you're buying a new one, a new coil pack, just make sure it comes with a module itself. Don't buy it separate. More problem with this car, I found out I do actually have a hole. It's leaking. It leaks. Let's see through this part. And if you actually check it, the hose itself is actually pretty thick, so they both gonna have to be replaced. And one more problem this car is gonna have is probably the next leak is gonna be over here. As you see, this big hose, radiator hose, upper hose, actually no, this is the lower hose, is touching the oil filter in the corner, so we're gonna have to fix this one somehow. Yeah, pretty disappointed in the way they made it.